Hello, my dear students, and welcome to Master Business English. I'm Coach Karima, and today we're going to learn about when and how to use do or does. But what will we learn? Well, what are do or does? When to use them? How to use them? Examples and also typical mistakes. Therefore, what are do or does? First of all, they are verbs. Exactly, verbs. The infinitive verb is to do, the verb do, and it needs to be conjugated according to the tense to use. And also, they are auxiliaries of the present simple tense. So again, do or does, or they are verbs, or they are auxiliaries of the present simple tense. When to use them? Okay, as a verb, we need to conjugate it. Examples: I do my homework. She does her homework. They did their homework last week. And as you can see, I do, she does, they did. Here we are conjugating the verbs. As an auxiliary of the present simple tense, examples: do you deliver goods every Tuesday? Does she work for a national company? She doesn't work for the HR division. Here we have the auxiliaries: do, does, doesn't. Do or does in a question and doesn't in a negative sentence. And how to use them? Well, as auxiliary of the present simple tense, okay, they only appear in questions and negatives. And when they appear in questions and negatives, the verb next to them goes in infinitive, in its infinitive form. Okay? Examples: do you deliver goods every Tuesday? Does she work for an international company? She doesn't work for the HR division. Here we have do, does, doesn't. And in this case, they are working, or they are like auxiliaries. Do and does, in this case, like in questions, and doesn't in a negative sentence. Okay? But if you see deliver, work, and work, here, these are the verbs, and they are in their infinitive form. Examples: she does her homework. Here, the verb does is the verb. Doesn't do, she doesn't do her homework. Doesn't do, doesn't is the auxiliary negative, and do, that is here, is the verb in the infinitive form. So, well, do not forget, do or does are verbs or auxiliaries of the present simple tense. Do not omit them while asking questions or in your negative sentences. Let's see some typical mistakes. She not her homework. She not her homework? And where is the auxiliary in the verb? So the correct answer will be she doesn't do her homework. Doesn't, auxiliary, do, the verb. She doesn't do her homework. The next one. She doesn't her homework. She doesn't her homework? And where's the verb? So the correct will be she doesn't do her homework. In the next one, she does her homework. What? And where's the auxiliary? Because this is a question. So the correct will be, does she do her homework? Because remember, in a question, we must put the verb in the infinitive form. In the last one, does she her homework? In this question, where is the verb? So the correct will be, does she do her homework? Very good. Hope you have liked this lesson. Thank you very much for today's lesson. Like, subscribe, and share it. And if you, click the subscribe button, you will receive a notification when we will upload a new video. So you will continue learning with us, okay? My very pleasure, Coach Karime. See you soon. Bye.